Here's what Joe Jonas heard Sophie Turner say on Ring Camera Report. Joe Jonas allegedly caught Sophie Turner bad-mouthing him on their Ring camera ahead of their bombshell split. It wasn't anything more than that, an insider told US Weekly on Wednesday. But that was the final straw. Multiple sources had previously told TMZ that the singer, 34, had witnessed his wife saying or doing something that made him realize their marriage was over. Details of what the Game of Thrones actress actually said are unknown, but it was enough for Jonas to file for divorce in early September after 4 years of marriage. Page 6 didn't immediately hear back from Jonas and Turner's reps. On September 3rd, Page 6 confirmed that Turner and Jonas were heading for divorce. Joe is exploring the best options for his future, a source told us at the time. TMZ then reported that the two had been experiencing some issues for some time and Jonas had been taking care of their 2 daughters pretty much all of the time. Despite the reports, Jonas tried to combat the rumors by posting an Instagram snap where his wedding ring was front and center. Nonetheless, he blindsided Turner, 27, by filing on September 5th. She allegedly found out about his decision through the media, claiming a fight on his 34th birthday on August 15th was the catalyst. Amid allegations that Turner preferred partying over family life, the Dark Phoenix actress sued her ex for wrongful retention of their 2 daughters, Willa, 3, and Delphine, 1. She claimed in court documents obtained by Page 6 that he was refusing to hand over their passports in order to prevent them from leaving the States. Allegedly, Jonas and Turner had come to the decision to move their family to the UK during the winter of 2022. In fact, they had already picked a home to live in and put their Miami house for sale. Jonas, however, vehemently denied that he was maliciously keeping the girls from Turner. This is an unfortunate legal disagreement about a marriage that is sadly ending, Jonas' rep told Page 6 at the time. When language like abduction is used, it is misleading at best, and a serious abuse of the legal system at worst. The children were not abducted. For now, Jonas and Turner have agreed that their kids would stay in New York as they work through their divorce. In fact, Jonas' ex-girlfriend Taylor Swift has allowed Turner to stay in her New York City apartment with her daughters while the former couple battles for custody, a source told Page 6 Wednesday. Joe Jonas steps out on daddy duty with his 2 children while Sophie Turner is also seen in NYC amid pair's bitter custody and divorce battle. Joe Jonas was seen out with his 2 daughters Willa, 3, and Delphine, 1, on Thursday, amid his ongoing custody battle with estranged wife Sophie Turner. The 34-year-old was on double duty as he pushed his 2 children in a stroller. Meanwhile, Sophie, 27, was also pictured in the Big Apple on the same day. The Jonas Brothers star was dressed casually in a pair of denim jeans, suede loafers, and corduroy jacket as he was accompanied by a male pal. Meanwhile, Sophie, who is fighting to move her divorce case to her native UK after Joe filed for separation in Florida, was also pictured in NYC on the same day. The British actress was seen dressed casually in comfy sweats. She is currently believed to be staying at her friend Taylor Swift's home, who has offered it to the actress on loan, as she navigates the custody war, Page 6 reported. The couple's 4-year marriage collapsed earlier this month, with Jonas starting proceedings with a filing claiming their union was irretrievably broken. Game of Thrones star Turner hit back by claiming she was blindsided by the court filing and only found out of Jonas' intentions through the media, which he denies. As the couple thrash out the details of their divorce, they have also been working on the custody arrangements for daughters Willa, 3, and Delphine, 14 months. Turner has sought to return their children to England after accusing her American ex of withholding their children's passports. In recent days, the pair agreed to an interim consent order that bans both parties from removing the kids from the state. While the couple live in New York, Turner had long expressed a desire to return to her hometown during their marriage. It was revealed this week that she had initiated proceedings in a British court as she seeks to return her 2 children to England. It's the latest development in the couple's bitter divorce saga and could likely further complicate the case that is now being handled by 3 different courts across 2 countries. A hearing took place on Wednesday in a Miami courtroom, where Jonas first filed for divorce on September 1st, with Turner finding out 4 days later. Sources close to Jonas have claimed that in the lead-up to the split, the British actress had been out partying while the singer had been looking after their daughters on his own for some time. Turner fired back a bombshell legal filing at a court in New York, the third court where the couple are battling each other. There she accused Jonas of refusing to hand over the girls' passports so they could return to England with her and cited an international child abduction law. During the 15-minute remote hearing in Miami, the first hearing in any jurisdiction, neither Turner nor Jonas were present. Jonas' lawyer Tom Sasser said that, ahead of the next hearing, there would need to be depositions. He also called Turner's request to stop the Miami proceedings entirely particularly concerning and problematic. He claimed that she had elected to initiate a UK divorce proceeding and wanted to stop these proceedings in their tracks. Turner's attorney Beth Vogelsang told the judge, "That's not what we're saying," and argued that they only wanted to stay on Judge Young making an order in the divorce until the New York case is resolved. Judge Young told the court that he would deal with everything else in the divorce apart from the children. When Vogelsang requested that her client appear remotely for the next court date, Judge Young replied, "Your client will be here and will be in my courtroom." He added that he wanted to set a date in mid-December as most film studios shut down around then. The judge offered both parties 3 dates and told them to notify him which one they preferred. "Jonas will have to come in person too," the judge said. Turner and Jonas were married in 2019 but, according to legal filings, their marriage rapidly broke down in August after an argument. The nature of the argument has not been revealed, although sources close to Jonas have claimed that he saw something on his Ring security camera that convinced him his marriage was over. Jonas' sources have claimed to TMZ that she, Turner, likes to party and that he tried to salvage the relationship while looking after the kids. The estranged couple issued a joint statement on September 6, which read, "After 4 years of wonderful marriage, we have mutually decided to amicably end our marriage." There are many speculative narratives as to why, but truly this is a united decision and we sincerely hope that everyone can respect our wishes for privacy for us and our children. 3 weeks later, Turner filed a petition for the return of their children to England at the court in New York. The filing claimed that the former couple's daughters have been wrongfully detained in New York City from their habitual residence in the UK. The children's friends, family schools, activities, medical and dental care are all in England, according to court papers. The lawsuit cites the Convention on the Civil Aspects of International Child Abduction, also known as the Hague Convention, which was ratified by both the US and the UK, and grants courts the ability to order the return of a child if they are wrongfully removed.